Student, today we're going to learn how to represent the marks obtained by the student of two sections by frequency polygon, and we will going to plot it in the same graph paper. So we have two data. Means why the two data? Because this data is showing the marks obtained by the student of two sections, section A and for section B. So the marks are from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. It means highest marks is 50. And if we see the class interval, it is in continuity. For section A, frequency is given 3, 9, 17, 12 and 9. And for section B, frequency is given 5, 19, 15, 10 and 1. So first of all, we're going to draw it without using the histogram. So for that, first of all, we're going to make a column in both, and that is of class mark. We're going to find class mark. So how we're going to find the class mark? For class mark, what we have to do, we have to add both the limit and divide it by 2. So 0 plus 10 is equal to 10, and if we divide 10 by 2, it will give 5. So both of them, the class mark will be 5, because for both of them the class interval is same. Next, 10 plus 20 is 30, and if we divide it by 2, it will give 15. So in both we have 15. Next, 20 plus 30, it is equal to 50. When we divide it by 2, it gives 25 for both. Next is 70. When divided by 2, it gives 35, and here also it gives 35. 40 plus 50 is equal to 90. When it is divided by 2, it will give 45, and here also 45. Now we have to plot it section wise. First we're going to plot section A. We're going to take the number 5 and 3, 15 and 9, 25 and 17, 35 and 12, 45 and 9. For section B, 5 and 5, 15 and 19, like this. So on the x-axis of the graph paper, this is the graph paper, I have drawn the vertical and horizontal line. So this is the horizontal line which we're going to take as x-axis. On this axis we're going to take the class mark. What we're going to take? Class mark. And on the y-axis we're going to mark the frequency. So on the class mark, we have to take these values 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. For both of them it is same, so we're going to take from 1. So first point, the intersection point is 0, then 5, then 15, 25, 35 and 45. One more point we are marking 55, because there is a difference of 10, 10, 10 between each. In the starting we have the difference of 5. So what we have to draw? We have to draw the king, the Z shape. Then on the frequency we have to plot the points of frequency. On the y-axis we have to plot the points of frequency. So let us first identify the highest number. We have 19. So if we mark the number taking from 1, 2, 3, 4 in continuity, so our graph will be too long. So what we're going to do? We're going to take the difference of 2. First point 2, then 4, then 6. After that we'll have 8, then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and this one will be 20. So these are the points we have plotted. Now let us first mark the point of section A. for section A, we have to mark 5 and 3. 5 and 3. 5 is on the x-axis and 3 we have to see on the line of frequency, that is on the y-axis. So 3 will be between 2 and 5. The midline over here is this one. So we have to check where they will intersect. They are intersecting over here. So this is the point. Next will be 15, 9, 15 and 9. 15 we have over here and 9 will be between 8 and 10. So it will be here. Next will be 25 and 17. 25 we have and 17 will be between 16 and 18. So it will lie over here. So this is the point. Next is 35 and 12. 35 is this point and 12 we have. So both of them intersect over here. Next is 45 and 9. 45 and 9. This is 45 and 9 will be between 8 and 10. So it will be over here. Now let us join. These are the point for section A. We are joining. So we can use different colors pen. These, then this point, this, and we have to join it with the x-axis. So on the x-axis we have taken one more point after 45, taking a difference of 10. So connect it over here, and before 5 we have the point 0. So we have to connect it with 0. So this is the graph for section A. Now let us mark the point for section B. For section B we have 5 and 5. 5 and 5. 5 is here and 5 will be between 4 and 6. So it will be here. Then next we have 15 and 19. So 15 is here and 19 will be between 18 and 20. So it will be over here. Next is 25 and 15. 25 is here and 15 is between 14 and 16. So it will be over here. This is the 15 point. So it will be over here. Next is 35 and 10. 35 is this point and 10 we have this point. So both of them will intersect over here. And the last one is 45 and 1. 45 is this and 1 will be obviously between 0 and 2, that is this dark line, half. So it will be over here. So let us join the points. So this is the first point, this is the second point. We are joining the points. So we are going to join it with this point. Then we have the next point over here. This is the next point. Then we have the point over here. Then we have this point. Now we have to connect it with the x-axis. So the next number after 45 is 55. We are going to connect over here, and this with again with 0. So this is the graph. What type of graph? Frequency polygon graph on the same graph paper of 2 data. What the scale we have taken over here? 1 unit is equal to 1 unit means we have taken the gap of, we have taken the difference of 2 on the y-axis. So we are going to write over here 2. So this is showing graph of section B and this for section A. This, let us write, it is for section A and it is for section B. So this way student, whenever 2 data are given, you have to draw the frequency polygon. You have to plot it on the same graph paper. Don't plot it on the different graph paper. It will be drawn on the same graph paper. This point you have to know. Thank you.